Okay, let me introduce every functions for your capping machine. Come here. The first one, we will we didn't raise its height right now, because we will raise it later. Okay, you will get a bracket or frame to move this vibrations on a higher plate. This one was control the vibration plate. Sorry, we haven't. This one is moving. Yeah. This control this number. This number was controlling its functions. And remember here, this stainless places must be at the same height with the aluminum plate. It's important because this capsule needs to be moving. Yeah. Okay, here. This Q1, remember this Q1 function is very important. The first one, the left one was control the height of this part. The left one was control the height of this one, and the left part is control the height of this one. So according to your bottle's height, you need to prepare the different places. You can rotate it here. Yeah. Did you see that? You can rotate it. Okay. And for your small bottles, we customized this part here. Here. When you change the bottles, you need to remove this part. You need to remove this part, and also the top part. This one, the top part. We don't need it. But for your big bottles, other caps, keep it. Yeah. This one was for your bigger caps, and this one was used for your dropper caps. Okay. And this one was for your dropper caps. And let's move to this part. The four sensors. We must also when the machine is working, when machine is working, we need to adjust the sensor. You can see. It's right on or left off. So every sensors need to be adjusted. Just like this. Cylinders also are installed on the cap feeder. On this part to adjust every function setting, the same as before, parameters. Some part was used for the cap feeder, some part was used for the capping machines. I/O alarm and a manual. Let's show you how to manual was working. Conveyor. This conveyor was controlled by labeling part, so ignore it. Capping off. Remember, it's well assumable part, so need to change it. Maybe based on your machine's working situation, maybe 2 weeks to change one time, maybe 1 month to change one time. Bottle outfit cylinder. Follow clamp. Yeah, on capping machines it has follow clamp. Capping. Here. So just need to adjust every functions based on your specifically situations, okay? And let's come back to the parameters. The first one, delay cam. And let's come back to these two parts. This one and this one. These two parts, when you rotate it, it can control the distance between them. Okay, because you have bigger caps or small caps, all of them can be changed just according to your demands. Yeah, you can rotate it or not rotate it. Control the distance between them. And this one, the height. It controls the whole device's height. Here, yeah. So it was used to control the height of it, this one. And the most important one thing is this one. Need to connect it to the air compressor. Here, it has a barometer. The barometer shows the number. We need to keep it from the 0.6 to 0.8. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, air compressor. Air compressor also has a barometer. It has a number for show from the 0.6 to 0.8. Okay, and remember to push this. This was release the air and push it so it has air. Okay. Here. Remember this function. Okay. Remember this function. It's very important.